In this video, we will set up the control unit. We will explain where to find the software version and how to switch the device on and off. We will also explain the needle setting with the auto mode and automatic cutting edge detection, as well as manual entry of the needle number. Important: the sensor must already be adjusted. Please watch the video on this topic before watching this video. Switch on the machine. When the control unit starts up, we see the software version. Here it is 340. To turn the control unit on/off, press the 2 arrow keys for approximately 2 seconds. The lower part of the display shows the needle signals of the cylinder. The upper part of the display shows the needle signals of the dial. In this video, only one sensor is attached to the cylinder, so no signals for the dial are displayed. In the next step, we enter the correct number of needles for the machine into the system. To access the menu, press Set SC. Check if Auto is active. If Auto is not active, press both arrow keys simultaneously. Further details can be found in the operating manual. Now press Enter until you see the main screen again. Let's run the machine. The system will now automatically detect the correct number of needles. In this video, 26 and 40. After a few revolutions, the system shuts down the machine. After stopping, check if the number recognized by the system matches the actual number of needles on the machine. If everything is correct, confirm by pressing Enter. The system is now ready to operate. We will now simulate a cutting edge by removing 2 needles. Now let's see how the system reacts with the learned needle count of 2640. After a few machine revolutions, the control unit detects the changed needle count and stops the machine. Confirm the message by pressing the Set or ESC key. Cut NDL now appears on the display. Confirm the message with Enter if the cutting edge is requested and restart the machine. The system has now recognized the correct number of needles and learned to work with the requested cutting edge. If the cutting edge is already set up, the system can also immediately identify the correct number of needles in auto mode. In this video, we restart auto mode for demonstration purposes. To do this, press Set S key, then reduce the number of needles to 0 by pressing and holding the down arrow key until OFF appears in the display. Press the down arrow key again. Auto appears. Confirm with the Enter key and exit the menu by pressing Enter several times, then let the machine run again. The system now relearns the number of needles with the cutting edge already set. After recognizing the correct number of needles, the machine stops again. Confirm with Enter. The system is now ready for operation. In addition to auto mode, the number of needles can also be set manually. In our video, the correct number is 2638. To do this, press the Set SC button again. You can now set the number of needles manually. Pressing and holding the arrow keys will increase the number in increments of 10 and then 100. Confirm your entry with Enter. Important. When entering the number of needles manually, make sure that the cutting edge is set to Yes to avoid fault stops. To check, go back to the menu with Set ES key and navigate to the cut item with Enter. For demonstration purposes, we set the cutting edge to No with the arrow key. We exit the menu with Enter and let the machine run. The system now stops the machine and displays the error message, Cut NDL. We confirm the message with Enter and go back to the Set ESC menu. Here we can now see that the cutting edge has been activated. Take a look at the other videos on operating the control unit to get a better understanding of the system.